If your landlord evicted you for heavy maintenance but gets a new tenant within a month of leaving, what can I do to seek legal action? You can file a case for wrongful eviction. Presumably, if you're in Dubai, it would be at the RDC, the Rental Dispute Center, and the claim would be compensation for wrongful eviction. And the wrongful eviction would be, so you were evicted because whatever was in the eviction notice. So if the landlord tried to evict you because of the heavy maintenance and you relied on that representation, moved out, and now he re-rented. By law, he's not supposed to re-rent it for at least 2 years. And if he does re-rent it, or he or she, if they re-rent it, then you can seek compensation. In this case, you need to be very strategic about what you claim as compensation. The law says compensation, and usually what that implies is that you would have suffered some kind of a loss, some sort of injury as a result of being wrongfully evicted. But you'll have to substantiate what that compensation is, which means you would have to show to the court, for example, that you're paying now rent that's, let's say, 50% more than what you're paying, but it has to be comparable in terms of the properties, right? So if you moved out of a one-bedroom apartment, you cannot move into a three-bedroom and claim that you're paying 3 times more. So it has to be sort of more or less comparable. You can also add, in terms of substantiating your loss, you could add your moving expenses I don't know, maintenance expenses if you needed to move into a new place and spend money to kind of redo it or paint the house. Whatever it is that you have receipts for, you can present to show that you have suffered loss or damages as a result of the landlord's breach.